Welcome back, teachers. In this video, we're going to look at how to create a master class for different subjects so that other teachers can pull from that class and share with their students in their very own Google Classroom. Once you have a class created, you will then go to the People tab and add other teachers that you want to have access to the assignments so that they can share. After you've invited those teachers, they will need to accept your request. From the stream, you will need to tell teachers if they're going to add assignments to this master class, they need to click on classwork and then create whatever assignment it is that they are putting in here. They can add whatever file they want, or they can create a new doc or file for the students to use. Be sure if you want each student to get a copy, even within your own classroom, that you change this drop-down menu to make a copy for each student. After you choose your settings on this side, you're going to select Assign. For teachers to share the assignment, they will need to go back to their regular course. Now, if I'm a teacher and I want to reuse the assignment from the master class, I will go to Classwork, Create, and I will reuse a post. You will land on this page where you will then select your master class. And now you can reuse the assignment that was created, whether by yourself or another teacher. Click Reuse. And now you get an option to make edits as you see fit. So I'll change that, and I can add more documents. I can change the point value and make this only a 10 point, and I can give it a due date and all sorts of things I want specific to my classroom. I can place it in a topic. When I'm ready, I'll then click Assign, or I'll schedule it for later with the drop-down menu.